This is the best time to make money from crypto, like life-changing money. Why? Because we are at the bear market. Okay, this is a massive opportunity whereby buy coins now, and in the next bull market, you can do it from 100x to 1000x. That is $100 investment of any of these coins will give you at least $10,000 to $20,000 in the next bull market. But the problem is that you need to know which coin you're going to buy and which coin you want to avoid so that you will not lose your money. Now, I did a free training video that is going to help you pick coins that you can buy right now during this bear market, and when the bull market comes, you can make life-changing money. That's how one of my friends made over $3 million from just a $100,000 investment he used to buy coins in the last bear market in 2020. And the last bull market that happened in 2020, he made millions of dollars. Now there's another opportunity again. We are currently at the bear market, which is now is the best time you want to position yourself. Buy coins that can pump massively next to the bull market. But for you to do this, you need information. You need strategies on how you can do that. Pick the right coins. So if this interests you, I did a complete free training video that is going to help you make these decisions. And when the next bull market comes, you can make life-changing money. So this is for you if you are even a crypto beginner. If you have not done crypto before, this is for you. If you're someone who is training crypto and you want to make more money, this is for you also. So what do you have to do? Click the link below this video to get started.